An hour and 10 minutes ago.
I don't know how long we want to go into
Thanks. And the last one, quick, after this we'll do the good stuff. So the ladies are going underneath both flags, one after the other. And the other. If you clap faster, you sound like we're going to go fast. Oh my God, it's filming. Now ladies and gentlemen, to do the answer. Where your flag is made, really quick to the answer. This is only going to go well. Axel, I'm going to introduce you. When the moment is right, you bow. And they're going to go crazy. Do you know why? Because I'm asking them to. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Istanbul, here to entertain you, give it up for the one, the only, Axel! Bow!
Den har vi nu, så er vi inde på en runde. Nej, det bliver aldrig lige oppe højt for sig. But I do this to end the show with a grand finale, if you will, or as they say, what happens. Because that way, you all know exactly what to look for, and it makes my life much harder. This is my show, so I'm going to have some fun with this. In a second, we're going to get a random number. Whatever that number is, that many cards will play fair. In fact, that's right. So you guys go to this line here, that way. We'll give this a shot. You guys always want to do it right.
The rooftop restaurant.
I love it.
Do you know after no, and then I was like, and then we like got, and then you could just see them. No, I'm like, if this thing comes up.
probably more.
You'll find a love you can share, one you can call all your own. Just close your eyes, she'll be there. Thank you. You'll never be alone. And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend?